Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features some of the craziest road encounters ever caught on biker's camera. Today's episode is packed with all sorts of moments, so make sure to watch till the end and write us your opinion about it. Without any further ado, let's get this episode going. These bikers went out to have some fun and give a nice lifelong experience to these girls. Some of them were never on a bike and they looked really excited and ready for the first ride ever.
В такой экипировке быстро не поедешь.
Очки мне точно нужны, да?
Ну все, пока не одевай еще шлем, я вам скажу, как сидеть.
Ну не надо одевать?
Нет, еще не одевай. Не, бери с собой, пошли. Вам нужно прочувствовать ускорение на заднем, да?
Не, на заднем не надо.
На заднем? Поедем более-менее спокойно, да. Где я упал, еще поедем. Ну?
Нет.
Подними голову.
Before they start the ride, this biker explains to them how to properly get on the back of a bike and hold themselves without falling. This is really important, and it shows us that bikers are big on safety, as they should be.
Поворачивай, ты со мной наклоняйся вместе, да. Блин, она прижалась. Жестко. Ну как?
Классно, классно.
Да. Ножку поставили? Она бедная ехала, там ножка не стояла. Она вот так, нога болталась у нее.
Looks like one girl is not coping quite well with the pressure of bike riding. Even though she tries to play it cool, her leg shows otherwise.
У нее нога трясется. Ты чё, очкуешь? Чё у тебя нога трясется? В шлеме будешь опять?
Снимать не буду, наверное.
Чего? В шлеме будешь опять? И ускорение еще самого-то. А поворачивай. А поворачиваешь тоже, да?
Hold it right there. You saw that this lady didn't pay attention, so the biker had to ride bomb to make her notice him. Let's see what happens next.
You want to have a conversation about how you just almost hit me?
You need to be careful.
Did she just tell the biker to be careful? Oh my days. It must be the sunglasses. There's no other explanation.
Somebody has their blinker on.
Ma'am, I was already right at your quarter panel whenever you put your...
I looked. You weren't.
Ma'am.
What I tell you is, for your own safety, to be careful and be more aware, because
You need to be more careful and be more aware. Don't you try...
This is not okay. This needs to stop.
Hey, you're the one that started to come towards me, okay?
you get hit on the side of the road.
It'll be your fault and there will be video proof.
Well, it's because you didn't pay attention when you were driving.
Ma'am, I have video proof, okay?
What? I'm not saying I didn't do anything.
You
wrong.
did.
Just look at her hand gesture. Whenever you see someone throw their hands like this, just leave. There is no point in arguing.
And you're trying to say that it's my fault. No, you're trying to say it's... Hold on, listen. You're trying to say it's my fault. I need to be telling you...
You guys, do you hear me say I'm trying to tell him to be careful?
You need to be careful. You're the one that needs to be careful. You came over towards me. I was in my lane going straight.
If I hit you, it's not going to do anything to me, but it's going to kill you.
I'm pretty sure that's not the point here, lady. That's definitely not the point here.
Yes, and you're going to go to jail for it because there'll be video
Tell
proof.
you to be careful.
You need to be careful. You're the one that needs to open your
Get
eyes.
hurt. My van will protect you.
It-
To tell you, for your own safety, to be careful of
Okay.
other people.
You
Motorcycle
also need to be
accidents.
careful,
I
okay?
am
You're
as careful as I can be.
Ma'am,
That
you're the
was
one that
stupid
came over
gun.
towards
Damn
me.
it, You are such a stupid idiot.
Karen lost the plot here. Biker's facts must have struck a nerve with her. She's backing up now. Do you think she will leave?
You're going to end up dead on the side of the road because you don't
Because
watch.
some idiot like you ran me over.
You have no control over me, but you
No.
have control over you.
And you
What
also
I'm
have
saying
control
is,
over yourself.
if
You need to be
will
more careful.
Whether I'm careful or not doesn't matter what you're going to die or not. and watch out for everybody else. So
I rev bombed so that you would hear me.
I did, and I stopped. I backed off because I didn't see you. But what I'm telling you is that for your safety.
Why are you telling me to be more careful when you're the one that didn't see me?
I didn't say I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, but you're trying to criticize my riding.
I didn't criticize you.
Yes, ma'am. You stopped and said that I need to be careful, even though you're the one that almost hit me.
So nobody kills you. That's
Well,
what I'm
more people
saying.
need to be aware.
Well, they do, but you can't control that.
Yeah, and you need to be aware. And also, why are you just gonna follow me to wherever I'm going?
I happen to live right over there.
But you followed me down a couple of different
I came here
streets.
because I wanted to talk to you.
But you're the one that needs to be more careful, not me.
You get killed. It's your own damn fault.
Around again.
Eventually, this Karen left, and the biker turned around to talk to these boys about what just happened. They took it with a laugh as well, and they couldn't believe how this Karen reacted.
Get hurt, you'll get killed. And I'm like, yeah, and there'll be video evidence, and you'll go to jail.
Java couldn't be bothered anymore as he changed lanes. To be fair, he at least indicated. Some drivers don't even indicate, not to mention check their mirrors.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
This unpleasant experience probably changed the color of his pants. Other than that, we're good.
Help me! Help me!
We've seen a lot of road rage situations so far, but this one has to be the most sarcastic one. Cyclist flipped the biker off for no reason. Actually, there was a reason, but I won't spoil all the fun for you.
Uh-oh, retard!
Why? 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 Why?
Biker really needed to know why the cyclist flipped him off. The cyclist's response left me in shock, guys. He said he flipped the biker off because he was too loud, and the biker's response is top notch.
Sie mitten auf dieser Straße gefahren sind. Ich will's nur wissen. Ich will nur eine Begründung dafür, warum Sie mir einen Mittelfinger zeigen. Warum? Weil was? Ein Assi. Weil? Viel zu laut. Viel zu laut? Aha. Und deswegen zeigen Sie mir einen Mittelfinger. Aha, verstehe. Ja klar, logisch, macht Sinn. Macht Sinn.
This is a nice road to go down. Yeah, buddy.
Biker's rear wheel locked mid-ride. Luckily, he didn't crash. In this situation, the biker was just riding around when all of a sudden, a driver in a red pickup truck cut right in front of him, and on purpose as well. Biker had to swerve into another lane just to avoid hitting this crazy dude. I'm not so sure as to what's exactly going on, but this sad driver obviously has a bone to pick with the biker. He sped up and got right behind him. Road rage is in the air. Driver is trying to isolate others from himself and the biker in front, and it looked like serious trouble on sight. When driver was upset at the biker for trying to pass him on the inside, but he was stationary, and the biker had no idea he was moving until the last possible moment.
Mate, I'm not trying. You're stationary without indication or nothing, alright? Of course I am. So what the hell are you doing in the middle of the road without fucking indication or parking? Fair enough, man. No worries.
At one point, you can see that the van driver purposely swerved over to the right to block the biker from passing once again. And this is how you solve it like true gentlemen.
Sir, mate, I didn't realize you were meant to pass. My fault completely. I know, we got the bad rep, mate, but like I said, I saw you stationary, I didn't realize. You might be, mate, you might be. No worries, mate. Take care, brother.
It's a
How's
bit
it going?
unusual and the first time I've ever seen it, but this bucket tried his luck with picking up police officers. Check out how he handled it.
You're looking really good. I was wondering if I could get your number.
Huh?
I was wondering if I could get your number.
No, I'm good.
Can I get your badge number so I can say I got a number?
Yeah, 616.
How's it going? I saw your partner there. She's really beautiful. I was wondering if I could have your number.
No, I'm sorry.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Can I get your badge number?
9622.
Alright, 8622. Thank you. That's too funny. How's it going? Do you know it's cuffing season?
I know I set myself up to fail.
Do you know it's cuffing season? Cuffing. Like when it's cold, you cuddle. Can I get your number? No? What about badge number so I can say I got a number?
Badge number?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, just so I can say I got a number from you. Alright, have a good one. Guys, that'll be that for this video. I got 2 numbers, I'll take it.
We reached the end of yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one, as well as learning something. After all, it's the purpose of this channel to teach you something while trying to present it in the funniest way possible. Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you support my work. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.